If you enjoy this video, then please leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And while you're here, why not check out all our other content? Thank you, and enjoy the video.
Today's review is on Age of the Primes, Slingshot, and Air Raid. Design-wise, there's not much to say. They're very basic, but that's just the aerial bots in general. While I prefer the body on Slingshot, I prefer the head on Air Raid. It looks like something you would actually get on an official Transformers figure, unlike Slingshot, which looks straight out of a knockoff. Hasbro, you need to stop with the 100% accuracy to G1. It's okay to make changes if it makes the figures look better. I don't think anyone would have complained if his eyes were blue. But no, we have to make them the same color as the rest of the face because it looked like that in the show. I'm just gonna say it. G1 designs aren't that good. In fact, a lot of them are very bad. We don't need accuracy all the time. Just give us good-looking robots. As for accessories, they both come with 2 guns. For Air Raid, these can slide into the hands, and they can be stored on the back. For Slingshot, they can slide into the hands, but I actually like to plug them into the arms, just to fill them out a bit. And they can be stored on the legs, which doesn't look too bad actually. As for articulation, they're mostly the same, so I'll do Air Raid, and then I'll just cover what's different on Slingshot. Head goes up, down, left, and right. Shoulders go all the way around and out. Bicep rotation. Elbow bend, nothing at the wrist, waist rotation, leg goes up, down, and out, thigh rotation, knee bend, and an ankle pivot. As for Slingshot, the only differences are the hot rod shoulders and double elbows. Posability is pretty standard. The transformations are also quite basic, but I think I'm gonna have to give the win to Slingshot. He's doing a lot more to transform, and it's just a smoother experience. And in the end, you get some really nice looking jet modes. Air Raid has a bit of a messy underside, but it's whatever. I'll give the win to Slingshot again, since he's a lot cleaner. They both have landing gear, and the guns can store on the wings. So, that's Slingshot and Air Raid. 2 very nice, very solid figures. I think Slingshot is the better of the 2, but I don't think you'll be disappointed with either of these, so I'll give them a 7 out of 10. That's it for me. Please be sure to leave a like and a comment, join my Discord server, donate to my Patreon if you want to, and subscribe to The Great Soundwave. I'll see you next time.